Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a smooth shake transition for your videos in CapCut. So first, just add your clips and then click on the transition box. Click on camera and find the pull out transition. Okay, this one, and adjust it for 0.4 seconds. Click on a check icon and now click on a second clip, animation. On the in category, find the collision and set it for 0.5 seconds, and now go to the video effect. Click on the nightclub category and then select the repeat zoom. Set it for the second clip, and now you are done with the smooth shake transition. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye bye.